Welcome to a new deep dive. Ever trying to get generative AI to do something specific and it just, well, didn't quite get it?
Or maybe the output was close, but, not exactly what you needed.
Exactly. So today we're diving into a skill that's becoming, honestly, pretty essential.
Mastering communication with AI.
Yeah, by really understanding the core parts of a good prompt, there are 4 key things. Our mission here is basically to give you the shortcut. Turn those vague requests into, well, powerful ones.
And it's interesting, this isn't just about AI, is it?
No, you're right. It's really a new kind of clear communication. It could honestly change how you work every day.
It's fascinating how much power is in these, basic communication bits. We sometimes think AI is magic, right?
Right.
But the better we talk to these models, the better they respond. More valuable, more accurate stuff comes out.
And it often boils down to just guiding the AI, these 4 key things we mentioned.
Exactly. 4 pillars to get what you need.
Okay, let's break this down then. We've all felt that frustration. You type something simple and get garbage back. What's the absolute first building block?
That's the task objective. It's the fundamental what. What do you want the AI to do?
Okay, the what?
Yeah, you need to clearly state the specific assignment, the goal. Think of it like it's mission orders. Without that clear objective, the AI just kind of guesses, right? Which leads to irrelevant stuff, unfocused content.
So it sets the main direction.
Precisely.
So instead of just saying, write something.
Yeah.
Which is terrible.
Yeah, pretty vague.
You'd say, translate this English paragraph into Spanish.
Perfect. Or maybe generate 5 multiple choice questions based on this article I'm giving you.
You're giving it a clear job, not just a hint.
Exactly right. And, once the AI knows what to do, it needs more info. It needs the why or maybe the around what.
Which brings us to number 2.
Number 2, context.
Context. I feel like this is where a lot of prompts fall down. Why? Is it so crucial? What if you skimp on it?
Well, context gives it all the necessary background, the details, reference points.
The surrounding info.
Yeah. Without it, the AI is basically guessing, and that's how you get those, AI hallucinations we hear about.
Right. Making stuff up.
Or just getting facts wrong, or giving an answer that's totally out of place for the situation. Good context helps the AI grasp the specifics, the environment constraints, the actual subject.
Got it. So you're painting the full picture for it.
Exactly.
Like for that translation task, you wouldn't just say translate. You'd add context like this is for a legal document.
Right, which is very different.
This for casual chat completely changes the words it should pick.
Totally different vocabulary and tone.
Yeah.
Or for generating those questions, you'd obviously include the article itself.
Of course.
But also maybe specify these are for 8th grade students.
Difficulty level.
Or even focus on the main ideas and these specific vocabulary words. It's the backstory for the task.
Okay, that makes sense. So we have the what, the task objective, and the why, or around what the context. What's third?
Third is defining who or how the AI should act. We call this defining the role of the language model.
Giving the AI a role, like telling it to pretend to be someone.
Kind of. It's like giving it a persona, a job title almost.
How does that actually change the output? It sounds kind of fun.
Oh, it's incredibly powerful. Assigning a role tells the AI to adopt a specific persona, a certain tone, a style, an approach. Its purpose is really to shape the output to match the voice you need. It affects word choice, sentence structure, the whole feel of the text.
So who do you want the AI to be for this task?
Exactly. So instead of that vague, write about history.
You could say act as a university history professor.
Right, maybe. Explaining the causes of World War I to first-year students. That gives it a clear perspective and audience.
Or assume the role of a high school English teacher, creating a quiz for To Kill a Mockingbird.
Perfect. Or even something more functional, like, you are a friendly, helpful customer service representative. Respond to this complaint.
Wow. Okay. That completely changes the tone, the formality, the depth.
It really does. So now the AI knows what to do, why it's doing it, and who it should be, what's missing.
How the answer should look.
Exactly. The final element is the output format, the how it should look part of your request.
So specifying the structure of the presentation. Why bother being so specific about the format? Isn't the content the main thing?
The content is key, but the format makes it usable. Its main purpose is to standardize the output.
Making it easier to actually use the results.
Way easier. Easier to process, easier to integrate into whatever you're doing. Think about creating test items or summarizing data.
Yeah, you don't want a messy block of text.
Exactly. A clear format means less manual fixing later. It boosts efficiency, sometimes dramatically. It's like getting ingredients versus a plated meal ready to go.
Okay, that's a great analogy. So for the translation, instead of just a paragraph, you could ask for
Present the translation as a bulleted list.
right, maybe with each original sentence followed by its Spanish translation.
Perfect. Or for those multiple choice questions,
You'd say, generate the 5 questions numbered 1 to 5.
with options labeled A, B, C, D.
And maybe put the correct answer in parentheses right after the question. Super clear.
Exactly. Clean, actionable results straight out of the AI.
Okay, so let's recap for everyone listening. What this really means for you is that by thinking about and including these 4 things,
The task objective,
context,
the AI's role,
and the output format,
you can seriously level up how well generative AI works for you. You get more precise stuff, more relevant stuff, output you can actually use.
it really just boils down to being explicit, doesn't it? Clear communication.
Absolutely. So here's something to think about as you craft your next AI prompt. Which of these 4 elements, if you really focus on it, will make the biggest difference for getting exactly what you need for your specific challenge?
That's a good question to mull over. The answer might be different each time.